Explore the possibility of making your next vacation destination Africa. Join us for the 10th Annual African Festival for the State of Maryland, Fest Africa 2012, Serving and Touring Africa. Saturday, August 11th and Sunday, August 12th, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Veterans Plaza in downtown Silver Spring, with live entertainment, music, dance, African cuisine, vendors, and much, much more. Special performances Saturday, August 11th by the fabulous Toby Foyer and the African Orchestra, and Sunday, August 12th, Diblo Dibala, with more special appearances. Don't miss this free event. For more information, check us out at www.festafricausa.com or call us at 410-608-0420. This is a production of Global Culture Media.